My experience of Mayfair Granite was a delight, I have to say. Right from going on the website to actually have a look at the colour choices, samples, to speaking to the sales team, they made me feel as though an individual, which was absolutely perfect and just what I wanted. The samples arrived when they were supposed to arrive. The templating is precision in an art form. And then I have to take my hat off to the fitting team, because to get a piece of quartz in the house that probably weighs over 250 kilos was absolutely stunning. The look and the feel that we have is amazing. Mayfair Granite and the Quartz have given us the most amazing family and friends entertaining space. I absolutely would recommend Mayfair Granite. The experience I've had has been absolutely superb.